Again, into plenty of space. Marcus Rocco. Now Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Ibrahimovic to Blind! One way or another, they will find a way through. And Manchester United's patience pays off. Well, now Pogba. Ibrahimovic to his left. This is Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Mkhitaryan. There's Valencia. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Mkhitaryan in the middle. That is special. This famous stadium has seen some wonderful goals. Nice cross. Borini! Well, that's a special goal too from Fabio Borini. And Sunderland fans with something to cheer right at the end at Old Trafford.